how to get free coins in Melon Playground. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get free coins in Melon Playground. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, if you're on iOS, before downloading, what you have to do is go into your battery settings and turn off low power mode. Then go into general settings and enable background app refresh for Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. After that, go to a website called rizbuild.com on your device. Next, in the search bar, type Melon Playground Mod and tap the green Install button. Wait for it to load 100%. For iOS users, it will ask if you want to download the configuration profile. Tap Allow. Then go to your settings, find the profile download and install it. The app will appear on your home screen. Before you can use it, you'll need to install 3 plugin files. Simply follow the instructions for each plugin. If you're on Android, you'll be taken to the last step page automatically after clicking Install. Just complete the 3 plugin files there. So that's basically how you can get free coins in Melon Playground. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.